once alive. On that cold wooden stool, under their piercing gaze, a soft whisper finds me through the bitter haze. Oh, don't cry, Jane, let the fire burn bright. I'll hold your hand through the bitter night. They call you a liar, they paint your spirit black, but there's a strength in you they can't take back. The road is narrow and the winter's deep, but you have promises, sweet Jane, to keep. On that cold wooden stool, under their piercing gaze, a soft whisper finds me through the bitter haze. Oh, don't cry, Jane, let the fire burn bright. I'll hold your hand through the bitter night. Beyond these walls, a brighter dawn awaits. Just hold my hand and brave the coming fates. Don't cry, Jane, you'll rise again.
The gavel strikes the silence of the room. A name is called, a ghost from my youth. I looked up and the world turned to gray. There you stood in that cold, faded dress, the girl I once held in the summer rain. Now a prisoner of a life I helped destroy. Those eyes that used to shine like morning dew are now hollow reflections of the pain you went through. And here I sit, wearing the robes of a judge, while I'm the one who pushed you into the mud. My beloved woman, my Katyusha, accused of a poison you never meant to give. In this courtroom of lies, I am the juror, watching the ghost of the love we used to live. I sent you to hell with a handful of gold. Now the story of my sin is finally told. I forgot your face while I lived in the light. You lived in the shadows, fighting the night. Now the verdict is mine, but the guilt is all real. How can I heal the wounds that time couldn't seal? Forgive me, Katyusha, my beloved woman. I'll follow your footsteps into the snow. never let you go again.
Gavel strikes the silence of the room. A name is called, a ghost from my youth. I looked up and the world turned to gray. There you stood in that cold, faded dress. The girl I once held in the summer rain, now a prisoner of a life I helped destroy. Those eyes that used to shine like morning dew are now hollow reflections of the pain you went through. And here I sit, wearing the robes of a judge, while I'm the one who pushed you into the mud. My beloved woman, my Katyusha, accused of a poison you never meant to give in this courtroom of lies. I am the juror, watching the ghost of the love we used to live. I sent you to hell with a handful of gold. Now the story of my sin is finally told. I forgot your face while I lived in the light. You lived in the shadows, fighting the night. Now the verdict is mine, but the guilt is all real. How can I heal the wounds that time couldn't seal? Forgive me, Katyusha, my beloved woman. I'll follow your footsteps into the snow. I'll never let you go again.
The shadows are longer now, the fire's burning low. I'm watching the footprints I left in the snow. A few more lines on the face, a bit more weight in the bone. Learning to sit with the silence, all on my own. I didn't reach the stars, I didn't win the race, but I'm still standing here in this quiet space. Adieu, adieu to the days that have fled, to the words I kept silent, and the ones that I said. It wasn't a revolution with a thunderous sound, just a slow, steady change. On this frozen ground I survived the year, and that is enough. Through the gentle winds and the winter so rough, they're lighting the sky for a brand new start. But I'm holding the stillness inside of my heart. Where to go next, I truly don't know. I'm just caught in the middle of the ebb and the flow. Not quite a hope and not quite a fear, just the heavy, sweet scent of the end of the year. No tickets to heaven, no debts to repay, just an honest goodbye at the end of the day. I'll close the door softly, no need for a light. I've made my peace with the coming of night. Adieu, adieu, one more year in the grain of the wood. I'm still here, and it's good.
In a gilded room, a piano plays so sweet, a velvet melody hiding the dust on the street. Beethoven's ghost waltzes through the hall, while 1,000 souls are dying behind the stone wall. The air is heavy, thick with the scent of decay. In the name of the law, they take the light away. Oh, beautiful Andante, a symphony of lies, drowning out the hunger in the peasants' cries. Administrative chains holding a nation's breath, a revolution rising from the shadow of death. Is this the resurrection, or just a holy mask for the blood on the snow? Shall we ask? General smiles, sipping his warm tea, while the iron bars lock the hearts of the free. But the Andante is changing, the rhythm grows loud. The storm is coming from the heart of the crowd.
In a gilded room, a piano plays so sweet, a velvet melody hiding the dust on the street. Beethoven's ghost waltzes through the hall, while 1,000 souls are dying behind the stone wall. The air is heavy, thick with the scent of decay. In the name of the law, they take the light away. Oh, beautiful Andante, a symphony of lies, drowning out the hunger and the peasants' cries. Administrative chains holding a nation's breath, a revolution rising from the shadow of death. Is this a resurrection or just a holy mask for the blood on the snow? Who shall we ask? The general smiles, sipping his warm tea, while the iron bars lock the hearts of the free. But the Andante is changing, the rhythm grows loud. The storm is coming from the heart of the crowd.
In a gilded room, a piano plays so sweet, a velvet melody hiding the dust on the street. Beethoven's ghost waltzes through the hall, while 1,000 souls are dying behind the stone wall. The air is heavy with the scent of decay. In the name of the law, they take the light away. Oh, a beautiful Andante, a symphony of lies, drowning out the hunger and the peasants' cries. Administrative chains holding a nation's breath, a revolution rising from the shadow of death. Is this the resurrection or just a holy mask for the blood on the snow? Who shall we ask?
The general smiles, sipping his warm tea, while the iron bars lock the hearts of the free.
But the Andante is changing, the rhythm grows